Good morning. This is my GSS 1996 data report for Social Work 300 Fall 2015 by Kenneth Lofton. Here, I'll scroll down to show the whole poster. I have my graphs that I made along with the descriptions and interpretations for each graph, along with my summary, conclusion, and references. I'll go ahead and zoom in. Too much. This first graph is just strictly about the people's opinions on having professors in colleges and universities that feel that blacks or African Americans are inferior. Majority of the people here that were surveyed said that they should not be allowed to teach in colleges and universities. But as you can see, which was also shocking to me, almost just as many people voted that they should be allowed in colleges and universities teaching. So in my paragraphs below, I discuss how I felt about the graph, also describing the graph. The don't know and not applicable categories are actually not even close to not allowed and allowed categories. So to me that was a good thing because everybody voted. They surveyed their real opinions. This next paragraph here is responses from different classes: lower class, working class, middle class, upper class, and they had don't know and no answer. The pie chart here shows how the classes actually voted and gives you a look at how the working class and the middle class almost both took half of the pie chart, saying that this is for not allowing those professors to teach if they feel like blacks are inferior. The next graph on the left here represents my multivariate graph. Race, the allowed, not allowed feelings about professors teaching in colleges and universities, and class are all being measured here. With this graph, I just wanted to show how race played a factor, or maybe didn't play a factor. We see that here, majority of white people were actually surveyed for this question. So for me, I feel like maybe that could have swayed the vote a little bit, kind of made it difficult to tell how each race and class really felt. This last graph here is for my bivariate college professors and class. This was the only graph that looked easy to read for people, so I chose to use this graph for that reason. As you can still see here, middle and working class are the majority that vote for not allowing any college professors into the classroom if they feel African Americans are inferior. So my description and interpretation are on the left for this graph. Now here in my conclusion, I basically discuss the total data as a whole, my interpretation of the data, the respondents, the number of respondents, and how that affected the data. And then I have my references at the bottom. I'll zoom out for one. One last look at the poster. And that is my GSS report. Thank you.